for the Akka Super Rock. Mature ladies are nice, but I'm a bigger fan of the small and cute ones more. Like me? Like me? No matter how much I wanna be Onee-sama, mature lady, cool, I don't think I can. I don't think it's in my nature. Even... I wanna... hello. Hey. What did she say? What did Narone say? She didn't say ara. Sounds like an old guy. Dang it. Gomene. I still sound like an old man. Dang it. Well, at least there's one who enjoys cute more. Ureshi? Huh? That's the best I can do. Gomene? Ureshi? That's the best I can do. I can't do anything lower than that. But yeah. Please stop! Why? But you guys like the Onee sounds. I'm just trying to give you what you want. Dang it, well whatever. I'm Biboo. My aura is really powerful though. If I'm confident in anything, I'm confident in my kind of aura. But that's too powerful for right now. Oh wait, but if I do it, maybe it'll make the sponsorship stream even better. Maybe they'll like it. Okay. Ara. Onee-sama will be very sad if you don't play Granblue Fantasy Relink with me. You don't want to make her sad, right? Yeah. Ara.